Okay, so now we got that done. Now that we got that done, we can go ahead and build a snare build a snare kind of fill here. That's going to be the build up. Let's see. Let's just go ahead and grab it from here. You know what? Maybe not. Let's go ahead and delete that. I'm going to make one from scratch. So I was just going to use this to use as the riser. With not the riser, but the snare build. Let's go ahead and make another one. And we're going to use simpler. I have an audio track. There we go. And let's color code it. Okay. Bring in simpler. And now let's go ahead and just grab a quick snare. Like that one. And you know what we can actually do is grab the timing of this MIDI. Right there. All right. And let's go down to C3. And since we're not working with something melodic, we want the original tone of the drum here. So that's why I turned the key off in the scale so I can adjust it. Okay, let's try it again. And add one here. Basically just trying to find a nice kind of groove here. Like something like that maybe. And then change it up to this one. Just straight 16ths, I guess. I'm not sure what that would be. And then we just simply highlight it, double it, like that. Do it again right here. And then we don't want it to conflict with the fill right here, so we're just gonna hold it back. I think we're missing, there's a little gap between these two guys, so let's get rid of it. It's a little dry. We definitely want to add some reverb to this guy. And bring up the K. That's way too much. Maybe the other groove isn't exactly a good idea. Let's try it just straight all the way. It's a little in your face. You could try a small little filter here and to automate it. And let's grab the frequency. Okay. It's not, okay, maybe it's not exactly the reverb or the filter. Let's try delay just to get a groove going. It sounds a little too stagnant for my liking here. Delay. Okay, that's a little too much. Maybe I don't need, okay, let's turn off and then add this timing right here. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start the quicker count right there. Okay, so I think once you hear it with the risers, when I get to the effects section, it'll help fill in and support this. We don't want to get too crazy. Something like with a straight, snare on the, I don't know, maybe that would be, like I said, is that probably, I think it's 16ths. It's just an easier basic rhythm for the crowd to kind of get along to here.